Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10. View all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter circles in the coordinate plane. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the chapter. Okay, here I'm on grade 10 math. The chapter is circles in the coordinate plane. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is find the center of a circle. So let's just start with the first example. What is the center of the circle? So the center of the circle is at the origin. You can see this one. That is 0, 0. So center of the circle is 0, 0. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the center of the circle? Which is the correct option? The of the circle is the origin, right? And on the origin, both x and y are 0, 0. So the center of the circle is 0, 0. Got it? Okay, what is the center of the circle? So which is the correct option? Yes, the center of the circle is the origin. 0, 0 it is, right? The correct option is 0, 0. What is the center of the circle? Both x and y are 0, right? So 0, 0 is the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Yes, that is the origin, right? Both x and y are 0, 0. So the correct option is the second one. Okay, what is the center of the circle? Yeah, yes, that is the origin 0, 0. Okay, what is the center of the circle? So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 0, 0. Okay, what is the center of circle? Yes, that is 0, 0. The center of the circle is at the origin. the circle. Yes, that is the origin, and both x and y are 0. What is the center of the circle? Yes, the center of the circle is the origin, right? They both are 0, 0, right? The correct option is 0, 0. Okay, what is the center of the circle? Yes, that is again the origin. So both x and y are 0, 0, right? Okay, you can complete. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is find the radius of a circle. So how do we find a radius on the circle on coordinate plane? That is very easy to calculate the radius of the circle. The center is 0, 0, right? So calculate the distance from 0, 0 to any point, like this point, this point, this point. They all are the right. So the center is 0, 0, and this point is 6, 0, right? That means that radius of the circle is 6. Got it? You can calculate the distance using distance formula, but you can use from 0 to 6, you have 6. So that is the radius of the circle is 6. Got it? Okay. What is the radius of the circle? So which is the correct option? Look, circle. The center of the circle is at the origin 0, 0, right? Yes, the radius is 4. The correct option is okay. What is the radius of the circle? Which is the correct option? The radius of the circle is yes, that is 3. The correct option is 3. What is the radius of the circle? Yes, the center of the the radius of the circle is very good. The correct option is 2. Yes, just locate the origin of the circle. So the origin of the circle is here is the origin, that is 0, 0, right? So you can calculate the distance from here to this point. So the this point is the location of this point is 0 and 9 and 0, right? So that means the radius is from here to here, the distance is 9. So the radius of the circle is 9. Got it? So the correct option is 9. Okay, the next one is, what is the radius of this circle? So which is the correct option? So when you are on the coordinate plane, calculate the radius is very easy. You just have to look origin. So here is the origin. Origin is at 0, 0. So you can calculate the distance from here to this point. So this point is at 8 and 0. So that means the distance from this point to this point is 8. So the radius of the circle is 8. Got it? 8 it is. Okay, the next one is, what is the radius of the circle? So which is the correct option? Yes, the radius of the circle is 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is, what is the radius of the circle? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 10. The radius of the circle is, you have to locate the origin of the circle, right? The origin is at the you have to locate the center of the circle. The center of the circle is at the origin, and here at the origin both x and y are 0, 0. Then here is the point that is 10 and 0. So the distance from this point to this point is 10. So the radius of this circle is, correct option is 10. Very good. Okay, the next one is, what is the radius of the circle? So which is the correct option? So from this point to this point, the distance is 5. So the radius of the circle is 5. Yes, the radius of the circle is 5. So the correct option is 5. Okay, what is the radius of the circle? So the radius of the circle is 1, right? What's wrong? Okay, what is the radius of the circle? So which is the correct option? Yes, the radius of the circle is 7. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is write equation of circles in standard form from graph. So you are given the graph. You have to write down the equation of the circle in standard form, right? So the equation of circle in standard form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square. R is the radius and h and k are the h and k is the center of the circle and r is the radius of the circle, right? So you are given a circle on the graph. We have to write down the standard form of the, right? Okay, so let's see how do we write the equation. Okay, so for the standard form we need the center of the circle, right? So here the center of the circle is 0 0, right? So the center is, or origin you can say, is center is 0 0 and the radius 3. So writing equation with is with x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals r square. R is 3, so it would be x square plus y square equals 9. That is the equation of the given circle. Got it? So that is x square plus y square equals 9, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the equation of the circle in standard form? That's the one we just did on the tutorial, right? The center of the circle is 0 0 and the radius of the circle is 3. So the equation would be x square plus y square equals 9, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, write the equation of the circle in standard form. So the center of the circle is 0 0, right? And the radius is cen- center of the circle is 0 0 and the radius is r equals 8, right? You can see from here to here the distance is 8, so the radius is 8. So the equation would be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square and then radius square, right? So that is x square plus y square equals 64, right? That is the equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square equals 64. So the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. The equation is x square plus y square equals 64. Got it? Okay, the next one is write the equation of the circle in standard form. So which is the correct option? Option 1, option 2, x square plus or x square plus y square equals 100. The center of the circle is 0, 0, and the radius of the circle is 10. So then the equation is the second one, that is x square plus y square equals 100. The second one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is write the equation of the circle in standard form. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? You have to find the center of the circle, right? The center of the circle is 0, 0. This is the origin, right? On the origin, both x and y are 0, 0. So the center of the circle is 0, 0, right? Then you have to calculate the radius. It's 2 and 0, right? So that means the distance from here to here is 2. So the radius of the circle is 2, right? And the equation of the circle in standard form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, and that equals r square, right? This is h and k. The center of the circle is h and k. So they both are 0, 0. So it would be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, and then our radius is 2, so it is 2 square. So when you evaluate, that would be x square plus y square, and 2 square is 4. So the second option is the correct option. Got it? The correct equation is, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 4. The second option is the correct option. Okay, now you can tell, you have to answer, right? The equation of the circle in standard form. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which option is the correct one? The origin of the circle is 0, 0, and the radius of the circle is 7. So the standard form of the equation is, yes, that is the second option. X square plus y square equals 49 is the correct option. Write equation of the circle in standard form. So which is the correct option? The correct option is x square plus y square equals 36. Option number 1 is the correct option because the radius of the circle is 6. You write the equation of the circle in standard form. So which option is the correct one? The correct option is x square plus y square equals 16. The correct option is x square plus y square equals 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the equation of the circle in standard form. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 1, option number 2. Correct option. Write the equation circle in standard form. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is y square equals 25 is the correct option. Equation of the circle in standard form, which is the correct option? The correct option is x square plus square equals 64. Number 2 is the correct option. Okay, we're done with the lesson. Let's move on to next lesson. The next lesson is write equations of circle in standard form using properties. Okay. Let's just start with the first example. Write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius 11 centered at the origin. So in the question you are given the radius is 11 and the center of the circle and the circle is centered at the origin, right? So just use the same equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus q square equals r square, right? You are given the radius is 11 and that is centered at the origin, so that means the center of the circle must be 0 0. So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equals 121. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, write the equation of the circle in standard form write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius 7 and centered at the origin. So you are given the radius of the 7 and the centered origin means the center of the circle is 0 0, right? So then it is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals 7 square. So it is x square plus y square equals 49, right? So option number 2 is the correct option. We write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius 2. So which is the correct option? You are given the radius of the circle is 2 and the circle is the centered at the origin, right? That means the center of the circle is 0 0. So just use the standard equation. The standard equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus a whole square equals r square. So the radius given is r equals 2 and the center of the circle is 0, right? So just put the values, that is h is 0, k is 0. So you're left with x square plus y square and r is 2. So that would be 4 x square plus y square equals 4. So equation number 2 is the correct option. That is x square plus y square equals 4 is the correct option. Okay, write the equation in the standard form for the circle with radius 5 centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? The radius of the center of the circle would be 0 0, right? So correct option. Yes, the correct option is option number 1, 25. Okay, write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius 10 centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? The correct option. The radius is 10, right? And the origin is an option x square plus y square. Write the equation in standard form for the circle with the radius 3 centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the equation in standard form for the circle with a radius 1 centered at the origin. So correct option. Yes, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius. The correct option. Yes, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 30. Write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius 4 centered at the origin. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 16. Very good. Option number correct option. Correct option is x square plus y square equals 144. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write the equation in standard form for the circle with radius 11 centered at the origin. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is x square plus y square equals 121. So, option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. And also, we are done with the chapter circles in the coordinate plane. We're working on the grade 10 math. The chapter we're working on is circles in the coordinate plane. And the lessons we have covered today are find the center of a circle, find the radius of a circle, write equations of the circle in standard form from graphs, write equations of circle in standard form using properties, So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question related to the lessons we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? You can ask question if you have any related to the lessons we just did. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.